Hello Alex, nice to see you again. On the marketplace at the moment with hyperconverged, the big drive is towards simplicity. How does Rubrik fit into that environment?
It's a good question. The backup world is far from simple. Most legacy vendors introduce complexity with multi-points of hardware, software, third-party components that increase cost and complexity, and often needs somebody who's a real specialist to operate that environment. The way Rubrik turns that on its head is really to follow the lead of the hyperconverged market and say an IT generalist should be able to manage this product. So how do we do that? We create a very simple interface. We limit the complexity of jobs down to SLA domains, so we're not looking at thousands of jobs, we're just building an SLA around what the business requires. We tend to have a kind of 2 or 3 click process to carry out any of our actions, and everything else is kind of automatic. So we don't need agents in VMware, for example. So let's keep this simple. Let's back up VMware in the way that VMware has been developed to make machines simple. I should be able to create a machine, I should be able to create a backup policy.
Yeah. I would assume also by being agentless as well, it simplifies the moving forward of the software as well with new releases, because you haven't got to deploy new agents to the environment as well.
Exactly. So again, a simple approach to the software on the box too. So no agents. When we need to do an update, we can do it for you. We have the concept of a support tunnel and proactive monitoring. So actually, the business that buys Rubrik shouldn't have to spend a lot of time administering it at all. Yeah. It should be a process of once I've set up, it will work. When I need to recover, it's a very simple process and doesn't require that specialist. So you can kind of distribute responsibility around the organisation for data protection.
Yeah. And I think one of the key things around that simplicity is that single interface.
Yes.
A lot of organisations have got systems where they've got multiple interfaces to manage it. Having that one simple single interface makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Everything is managed from a simple HTML5 interface. No management server. Everything's globally distributed across a stack of Rubrik devices. It's extremely simple to connect and manage. All you need is a web browser. And if you can move a slider in a web browser, you can manage Rubrik.
Sounds good. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Lee.